yeah, people say, yeah, Zeno killed Buju on the song. Yeah, like he's supposed to. If it didn't, we'll have a problem. Next up, finally, we get Kilometer remix. Now, this is a song, Kilometer. This is a song that was kind of like the saving grace of Buju's EP. Buju's EP took a direct, a very like clear indication of, oh, this is me on a pen game heavy record. It wasn't necessarily going for party moments or something that would actually retain the audience for it. It felt much more personal. A lot of the songwriting dictated that, like Never Stop, like Daniel Benson. A lot of it was claiming. A lot of the EP was basically him claiming a spot, letting people know that this is why I'm going to the spot, because I have this skill set as a strong melody and also with the pen. And I think that was what was really emphasized on that EP was the pen. But here comes an outlier on the EP, which was Kilometer, that was a party record, that was an up-tempo, that was a little bit much more loose on the writing ends of things. Kilo, like it was just a fun record. It had a very strong and easy, would I say, like, yeah, it had an easy, what's the term I'm using to describe this thing? Something to hold on to, basically. An indicator of the song. It was quite catchy. It was quite repetitive as well. So it worked in many instances. I'm a piano tune. Makes sense. Now that song definitely, it would be crazy if it didn't highlight that song and give it its own run. Because a lot of people attribute to Buju's EP being a dud because it doesn't necessarily have a hit in there. So this definitely was hit quality that needed its own center. It needed its own moment. And shout out to them for making the smart decision by seeking out Zeno for a remix, because Zeno Liski is one of those artists that bodies this sound, this wave, this Amapiano wave. He's one of those people, one of those Nigerian artists, one of few that really, really embodied it, and I've taken it to a different level. Listen to a song like Rockin'. Shout out to Nifki's production too, and bro, that's not an easy Amapiano influence record, bro. That was taking the song somewhere and to almost infuse it with a lot of very strong Fuji elements. I think he has been super creative on this Amapiano wave. But anyway, let's get into Kilometer remix. Benson and Zinoliski. Let's go. That's what we're saying. Okay. Yo, Rexy. If you're feeling good tonight, let's go. Let's go. I'm sure at this point it's gonna make people realize that the song was a gem. Like, this song was already a gem before Zeno, and which is good. That's the whole point of a remix, bro. That's the whole point of a remix. Out there on Jojo meter. Kilo. Alright, let's get ready for Zeno. Okay, it's coming up. Let's go. No, these inflections are aggressive now. Zeno, what's happening? But Jackilo, I'm like, bro, it's. When I day on speed, more Jackilo. Oh shit, Levuchi. When I day we cause we smoke with no shisha. Hey, okay. Fuck shisha. Okay, I don't like his mix. I don't like his mix. The verse is sounding fun. It sounding cheeky already, but I hate his mix, bro. I hate his mix. No shisha. Forget shisha. I don't decide this girl is simple. She like it extraordinary things. Okay. She wants to, but she can't resist. Okay. From this side, we no get resist. Hey, she wants to, but she no get, but she can't resist. On this side, we no get disease. So he's saying it's like, you know what I mean? He's gotten his blood work, he's gotten his blood test, HIV clean, STD clean. We no get disease on this end. Is that what this nigga is saying? Because that's what I'm picking up, right? Why would you say you don't have disease? You don't get disease. I mean, shout out to you for having good health. Hey! See, that's the line, right? I remember seeing a snippet. So, oh my name, kilo. No, let me run it back. I'm getting too excited. I can't even talk. Hey! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! No! Hey! Hey! Let's go! Nah, Buju Benson. Let's go. Yeah, Papa. We just got another one, man. No. Second one of the year so far, man. Shout out Buju, man. It has a no. This is clear. This is a good remix. Definitely Zeno compliments the song so well. So well. So well to the point like, yeah, people say, yeah, Zeno killed Buju on the song. Yeah, like he's supposed to. If it didn't, we have a problem. I'm calling you on the song to help boost my songs, to give it more energy, to give it another feel, to give it a new experience for the listeners. And you're coming to give me trash and I'm bodying you on my own song? Nah, you must body me today. Like, he did his job. Zeno did his job, okay? Zeno came in there, had fun, embedded his character, his persona on the record. You can hear the Fuji inflections that were so strong, so like, you know what I mean? I mean, us off the first line alone. That inflection, let's run that back. That inflection, I couldn't get over it, bro. When I stay on speed mode, you love me, come on, man. Nah, dude, you can't take the Fuji out of this guy, man. You can't take the Fuji out. That was so that was so intentional. That was so exciting. He definitely did his homework in terms of like understanding the record, and I mean, this is his atmosphere. This is where he thrives. So it only makes sense for him to body it and bring his own style to it, bring his own persona to it. And I like it. It complements it because there's a good contrast between their styles vocally, right? Buju is not really, I mean, he doesn't really have Fuji inflections to him. He's much more like cookie cutter on that singing type of thing. Not to say that's bad, but like that's good. That's a good contrast to have with another Fuji stylist. You know what I mean? Like a Fuji inflection like singer, you know, and I like that they have that contrast there, and it's nice for the record. You know when Zeno is coming in and he gives it that flair. I mean, the way he was just flowing and gliding on it, you know what I mean? Come on, Zeno Buju Benson, like come on, name Zeno, like bro, that was fun, that was cheeky, that was fun. I absolutely enjoyed it, man. This is a remix, okay? This is how you do remixes, bro. You give the song much more energy, a new experience, even though you're just adding a verse. But it's nice, and I like towards the end too. Buju kind of tweaked it, something Philomena at the end. That was nice too. That was cool. Man, it's a good record. They both showed out. I mean, it's a Buju record then, and Zeno did his thing, and I actually made a remix that was worthwhile, and I think this was worth the wait. To be very honest, I think this was worth the wait, man. But anyway, how do you guys feel about it? You guys are 85% yes on it. Definitely should be higher. I think it should be higher than 85%. Come on, man. But yes, it's not a bad tune, man. It's again a little setback on the mixing with Zeno. It's something that sounded quite off with his mixing. I don't know what he recorded with, but it sounded a little too rough or amateurish, or it didn't necessarily sit well with the beat. But I'm not mad at it. It's still a fun record. Yeah, not bad at all.